Hi guys, welcome back to this channel. On today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can add an effects in CapCut PC to your favorite list so that it can be easier to find it. So here, I've already opened my CapCut PC. Then I'm going to just go to the effects feature. Okay, so here the video effects. You can see that my favorite list is still 0, and I want to add the trending, maybe the shake effect to my favorite list. So you can just go to the effect that you want to add to favorite, and then here you'll see there's a star icon, so just click on that. Okay, so if you haven't signed in, you need to sign in first. You can sign in with TikTok, Facebook, or Google. I'm going to go sign in with TikTok. Okay, so after you sign in, you can see that you can add an effects to your favorite list. So you can add more than one effect. So you can just explore which of the effect that you want to add to the favorite list. Okay, I'm going to add this chromatic. Just click on a star and it will be added to your favorite list in here, so it can be easier to find it. Okay guys, so that's all from me. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and also click on thanks below. Bye.